What's up guys, Original Dobo. Welcome to today's very strange tutorial on installing a gimbal guard on your Mavic 2 zoom. It's a video I thought I'd never have to make, but after taking this on and off a few times, it is a little tricky and it's hard to do one-handed. It's not the easiest gimbal guard to take on or off, but I thought I would do a video on it anyhow in hopes that it will help other people and possibly prevent any damage to your drone. You'll notice that the gimbal guard is a floppy little plastic device with a lever on the backside to take it off. On the nose of your Mavic, you will see that there are two notches. Those notches are where the gimbal is going to slide into. What this does is it creates a lever to fold underneath the gimbal and clip into the bottom housing. But before you can do that, you need to slide the top piece over the camera gently as possible. You don't want to apply pressure to this as you could damage your gimbal. The idea is once you get the two notches and the above piece over the camera, that the two notches will form sort of a hinge and allow it to swing down. If it becomes a lever and you notice that you are moving the camera itself, you are probably not hooked into those two notches correctly and you'll need to restart the process and your gimbal guard is now on. The same applies for removing this. Make sure you take it off sort of in the same fashion. I will tell you that taking it off goes a little bit smoother than putting it on, but I hope this helps anybody who's had some issues taking this on or off. And as always, don't forget to make sure you take it off before you fire up your drone. Anyways, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.